Tara and Jake, I believe that your invisible strings have been pulling you towards each other long before you met, leading you to this very moment.
Bam, bam, bam.
Because I fell in love with you, I fell in love with life too. Each morning, I don't look out the window to see if the sun is shining. I turn to you.
When I'm with you, I'm no longer walking in a straight line, I'm dancing. And who would want to stop and walk through their life in a straight line, and they are lucky enough to tango with you? You gave me my favorite compliment, just being alive.
You're the best at it.
You're the best.